So how to transfer money from Monzo to Revolut. So to transfer money from Monzo to Revolut, it's very easy to do. So first things first, you're going to want to open up the Monzo app. And once you've opened up the Monzo app, you also want to go ahead and open up the Revolut app, which as you can see, we've got Revolut right here. Then once you're on the Revolut app, you simply just want to go ahead and select Add Money right here. Then once you've done that, it then pulls you through to this page here, and nice and simple, you just want to go ahead and input the amount that you want to transfer from Monzo to Revolut. So for the example of this video, we're going to select £10. Then once you've inputted the amount that you want to send to Revolut, you simply just want to go ahead and select here, and then it will bring you through to this page here. So as you can see right now, it's set up for Apple Pay. So you want to go ahead and change that, and you want to go ahead and select Easy Bank Transfer. Then once you've selected Easy Bank Transfer, you can go ahead and press Done at the bottom, and then it pulls you back through to this page here. And then from here, you simply just want to go ahead and select Continue. Then once you've done that, it then pulls you through to this page here. And nice and simple, you just want to go ahead and select Monzo right at the bottom right here. Then once you've selected Monzo, it then goes ahead and pulls you through to your Monzo app, and then it will ask you just to go ahead and confirm the payment. So you'll just want to go ahead and select Continue. And then once you've selected Continue, you should be given this message here to confirm that the transfer was successful. And then once you've got that, it will then pull you back through to your Revolut app. And as you can see here, it should tell you that the transfer between Monzo and Revolut was successful. And it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.